Hey guys, today we're learning a step called pump it up. In this step, we're going to be using a very basic form of hip hop called the body rock. So I'm going to teach you that first. In the body rock, you keep your hands on your waist, or you can keep them to your sides, up to you, your creativity again. So I'm going to keep it on my belt for now. So you bend your knees slightly and you hit your body ahead. You come back in, bend your knees again, slightly, not too much, not standing completely straight. You're here, you go ahead and back, ahead and back. Guys, you can enjoy this movement, you can go ahead, take your hands wherever. But for pump it up, our hands are going to be here to our side. Strong hands bent at the elbow, yeah? So let's try this step. You go ahead and in, ahead and in, yeah? So let's try that. 5, 6, 7 and body rock and in. So guys, again, few steps to make this step look good. You bend your legs every time you go for the body rock, sharp hands and a smile on your face.